I'm 𝗩𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗏. I am a web developer at Keystone Click, and I specialize in making custom websites, mostly with WordPress and sometimes a little bit with Drupal as well. Yeah, an outdated website says that you aren't really putting a lot of care in your business and that you don't really believe in your business. Outdated websites don't often show up high on Google, and usually you'll be outranked by your competition. And if that's the message you're giving to your customers, then you're not really showing them that you believe in your product and believe in your business. And then why should they believe in your business? Yeah, from a technical standpoint, it really depends on what your industry is, what type of products you have, and what you're trying to promote on how often you should update your website. But it is industry standard and best practice to update it as often as you can. Yes, it's important to stay on top of technical trends and make sure that your website stands out to competition. If you do not keep up with technical updates, your website will fall behind on Google search. For example, most people look at websites on their phone now, and Google rates mobile-friendly websites higher up. So you want to make sure that you're staying on top of those type of trends. Both aesthetics and function of your website are important, and I think that honestly both of them are needed for a good website build. The aesthetic of your website pulls people in and draws people to your site, but they won't stay on your site if it doesn't function correctly. To me, I don't think either takes backseat, and if you want a good designed website, both are equally important. 1, how strong your content currently is on your site. 2, if your site is easy to navigate for your users. And 3, if your site meets industry standards for your company.